We hope this is only the start of legislation resulting from Eve's case and the other precious lives lost too soon.
The parents of a Seattle girl who died at a daycare are trying to change the law to prevent future deaths. Eve Uphold's parents say the daycare provider and the state deserve some of the blame for their daughter's death.
They are suing and want to change the state's daycare laws. South Bureau Chief Drew Mickelson looks at how they hope Eve's death prevents others. Drew.
Well, Dennis, if a child were to die today in a state-licensed daycare, local police would investigate, but the state agency that issued that license would not look into it. But after emotional testimony here at the Capitol today from 3 mothers and 1 father, that could be changing.
On May 2nd, 2013, our vibrant and healthy 5-month-old daughter Eve passed away while napping in a licensed in-home daycare provider.
Eve Uphold died from sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, in a portable crib during nap time at a state-approved daycare.
And when she was found, the covering was crumpled up, and she also was left unattended. There was varying reports, but unattended for about an hour. So we believe it was preventable.
The state does not investigate deaths in child care facilities, but after conducting their own investigation, Eve's parents learned that in 2001, a baby boy died from SIDS at the same in-home daycare. His mother joined the Upholds, calling for change in Olympia.
When I first learned of Eve's death, I felt a tremendous amount of guilt, as though had we done something more, perhaps her death had been preventable.
Under a new bill, the state would conduct full reviews in all deadly or near-death incidents at daycares. The investigations would be the same as those currently done when a foster child dies. And the full reports would have to be posted online, so parents can easily find out about a facility's history.
To lose a child is the worst thing. You have to go through it for the rest of your life. And it makes you a stronger person in one sense, but it breaks your heart forever.
Michelle Frank's daughter, 18-month-old Jacqueline, died in 2005 at a Bothell daycare after accidentally strangling herself with a window-blind cord. Her death prompted lawmakers to ban certain kinds of cords at daycares. Frank says lawmakers will listen and take action after hearing from parents touched by tragedy like the Uphold.
Knowledge is power, but only when we turn that knowledge into action to ensure our children are being cared for with the utmost regard for their safety.
Eve's parents have sued the state of Washington. They also sued the First Nest Daycare up in Seattle where Eve died. That daycare has since closed. A spokesperson for the bill's sponsor says it has bipartisan support, and she says it could pass this session. Live in Olympia, Drew Mickelson, King 5 News.